Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video of my tool journey. So what we're looking at here today is a folding jab saw. So here's the one I got. It's Milwaukee folding jab saw, fits all, saws all, reciprocating saw blades, quick blade change, locks open and close, metal core, lifetime warranty, better get it registered. And then on the back there's the part number 48-22-0305, and it's the same on the back as well. So slide lock to release and insert blade. So there's the picture. Push button to open and close saw. Fits all, saws all, reciprocating saw blades and others. This one's actually got a metal, as it says here. This one's for metal. That's 18 teeth per inch. I think that's what it means. Yeah, anyway. Yeah, so Milwaukee Sawzall, made in USA. The blade. This is more than likely made in China. Final assembly, assemble final in China. That's in different language, but yeah. So it's been in, so it might be the same as the Milwaukee, engineered in USA and final assembly in China. Anyway, let's get this open and have a look at it closer. Right, thought I'd get the packaging out because I just want to see underneath here. I don't know why they put the label here. There's plenty of space over there that they could have done. But there we go. So yeah, assembly in China. Blade made in the USA with final assembly in China. Okay, fair enough. So you've seen that. Yeah, so okay, let's get back to the what we're here for. So right, here we go. I like how it's tucked away. I know, so yeah, opening action, pretty cool. What happened there? Would it lock in place? No, I think I'll just use it like. Anyway, I bought this because the you know, the amount of choices of blades you can put in, that's pretty well greased up. So it's just one of those where, yeah, this will be more handy for a DIYer than you know, you can use it out in your work, you know, but this is for actually doing DIY. So it's off Amazon. You can see where it's marked it from the packaging because it's been around for a long time. But marine, warning, not insulated. So don't use it anywhere near 240 volts or anything. But yeah, pretty cool plastic construction. Pretty, you know, for a DIYer, not bad. I haven't got any other blades to put in, but I will try and purchase some and get some more. But does this, yeah. So yeah, you can use other blades as long as it's the same profile as it's on that one on here. can get used to that. There we go. I'm liking it. There's not much more I can say on there, but yeah. Don't like the other fixed blade ones, because when you put it in your tool bag or something, you'll cut your tool bag or snag it on your hands when you're trying to get something else. But I'm liking it. Another addition to my DIY toolkit. So we'll end it on this, and yeah, let me know what you think. So if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. Helps the channel grow, and I'll see you on the next one.